Hello, my name is Ryan Deitch, and I'm the CEO and founder of Arro. I started Arro in 2021 with a mission to make credit accessible and with a mission to empower people to build their credit in a way that has never been done before. I started this company by researching and talking to consumers all over the country. What I found from that was very eye-opening. Fear and anxiety around overspending, around the debt trap, distrust of institutions. What we found as we went deeper is that there's so many good people out there looking to get some help, but how do you even know where to begin? These things aren't taught in schools, and they don't just make the most sense naturally. So Arro has created a completely innovative new solution to help people get credit, build credit, and manage their money a little bit more responsibly. The way it works is that we've created an underwriting model so that we can approve people that no one else can. If Capital One, Discover, or whoever it is isn't a solution for you, Arro can be, because we use more than just your credit score and your credit data to approve you. We then have created a solution where we start people somewhere between $50 to $200 on an unsecured credit card. Yes, that's right, an unsecured traditional credit card. No different than any other credit card out there. We're able to approve people by using a little bit more than just credit reporting data. We don't use someone's credit score because there's a lot more to someone than just their credit score. What we do use is a mix of variables with credit data, cash flow data, and other interesting items that really help us better understand how to get someone started with our credit product. More importantly, though, our business is about what happens after.
Hi, I'm Abby Butkus, and I lead strategy, growth, and partnerships at Arro with the goal of creating opportunities for fair credit access for all Americans. So how does our financial education actually work? Our financial education is a combination of mini lessons and behavioral training. So we give someone not just the steps to success, but the why of why it's a better decision to do X than Y, or why this works in the way that it does. The first thing we ask you to do is set a financial goal. Then we increase your credit limit by $5. Then we ask you to learn in 2 minutes about how credit cards work and then quiz yourself. Again, $5 credit limit increase. Then when the time is right, we ask you to make your first payment well in advance of your payment deadline, just to make sure you know the mechanics of it, it's gonna go through smoothly, and you're set up for success to be on time for your first payment. We increase your credit limit by $5. Our research has revealed huge misconceptions in credit management, and that is really causing a lot of people to mismanage their credit and not get their credit scores up, keep them in debt, etc. And what our customer feedback has been so far is, oh, I never knew this, and this is why my credit score couldn't get up. Oh, I never knew this, or I was told this incorrectly my entire life. Oh, I'm gonna share this with my family and friends because I know that they're not doing it correctly either. So it has just been overwhelmingly positive on revealing the how and really giving someone the steps in order to get on the right track. Our research revealed huge misconceptions in credit and financial management, and that makes sense that our customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, saying, I never knew that. That's what I was doing wrong. This is why my credit score couldn't increase. And our content was initially built from all the financial education research that exists, a certified financial planner, and a group of academic professors who specialize in financial education and incentives. And we're continuing to expand it through AI.
We can take thousands or tens of thousands of different people, all based on a risk profile that the system might think is too risky, and instead help them become more credit worthy. And the way that this business really scales and the way we really add value is by using artificial intelligence. AI is at the core of how each of these experiences is tailored to every individual. Once someone starts answering some questions, once we get a better understanding of what they might have known to what they do know to what they're interested in, AI can really tailor the experience to make sure that some of the content that is served up to you is unique and specific to you, that some of the experiences and behaviors that we drive are based on questions you've answered, things you know, and things we see you do. And AI is really at the forefront of helping people answer questions. We can then, as you make payments and engage in a handful of positive behavioral nudges, from reaching savings goals to adjusting spending to many more, we increase your credit line and we help you build a better financial life for you. Since launching, we've had an overwhelmingly positive response from our customers. We have thousands of users now. People are growing their credit lines, completing the lessons, providing such positive feedback around how nice it is to learn or refresh some topics, things people that want to share with their families, friends, bringing their families part of this. It's been a really exciting acknowledgement of not just a model to empower people, but the power of learning alongside of it. And a lot of decisions that are made are not based on things that we've known or learned. We're seeing all 5-star reviews on the App Store for a reason. People are loving the experience of Arro. Not only because we give credit and help you build credit, but because the learning makes sure that you avoid some of the pitfalls and mistakes that only keep you down.
So what's next for Arro? Through the rest of this year, we'll be continuing to build and test our AI capabilities and understand even more deeply how this impacts our customers' success. We'll be looking to experiment on driving better credit repayment, savings patterns, debt optimization. We'll also be kicking off partnerships with other organizations to support us in empowering people to a better financial future.